How to navigate the new 6765 form for R&D tax credit reporting. The research and development R&D tax credit is beneficial for many businesses. After all, it puts cash back in your pocket by offering a dollar-for-dollar reduction in your federal tax liability for qualifying expenses. But did you know that the IRS has introduced significant revisions to Form 6765 to enhance transparency and improve the quality of information received by the IRS? They included expanding reporting requirements as well as additional sections, as well as a deadline for mandatory compliance. Now let's take a look at these amendments in detail. First, the structural revisions. Sections A and B have been reformatted and streamlined to let you report your total expenses across all categories on a single line. On top of this, 3 new sections have been added. Section E, or other information for listing additional company details, like the number of business components that generate qualified research expenditure and any officer wages associated with them. Section F, or qualified research expenses summary, is for a consolidated summary of your qualified expenses. That means wages, supplies, contract research, and computer rental costs associated with them. Section G, or business component information, is for detailed reporting on each of your business components that contribute to these expenses through descriptions and associated expenses. Don't forget to include qualitative and quantitative details. That means explaining the nature and the purpose of the R&D activities for each business component and breaking down your expenses per business component by category. It's important to know that if your business follows the ASC 730 Directive for the treatment of R&D, costs under US Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP, you can make a single entry in Section G that summarizes your expenses related to your financial statement costs. And then there's the deadline for mandatory compliance. The changes to Form 6765 are applicable to tax years beginning after 2024. While Section G is optional for all filers for the 2024 tax year, you must complete this new section for the 2025 tax year. The only exception here is if you have a qualified small business that elects the reduced payroll tax credit or have qualified expenses of $1.5 million or less and gross receipts of $50 million or less. Remember, the mistakes in your form can increase the risks of audit and potential penalties. So if you're in doubt, reach out. Because when it comes to compliance, you can't afford to take chances and wing it. To ensure you're on the right track, check in with tax experts that can offer you help, advice, and ensure that you're getting the most bang for your buck. Fusion CPA can do just that. So if you'd like to talk about your taxes and make tax season easier than ever, get in touch with our team. Schedule a call at the link below.